Oswestry Town Centre 2023, and it's August on this beautiful day. Let's go and have a little walk around. Oswestry Station, looks like there's some work going on there. If you come out Oswestry Station, you are right facing the Aldi. Where's Flo? So the Morrison's here, the little Morrison's has closed down because they've moved it further up to a big one. There is a tandoori just there. Another tandoori. Very quiet really for a August day. Small Thai restaurant. Quite a few hairdressers and barbers. They have a market on a Wednesday, and I think it's a Saturday also, so it's Wednesday today, so it is market day. Very small market, but it's market day. It's a nice and colourful rug, isn't it? The market goes inside also. Let's have a little nosy. It is such a lovely little town. see the fat rabbit still here from last year. Nice to see it still going. They mean that's a church there. Cross over and make our way back round. Beautiful weather now. Are we going up here? I thought that's what you were walking across. More little pubs and a few other places down there. I'm sure there is other stuff. Beautiful church. So there you go, over there is Oswestry School, which doesn't look a bit like a school, but looks beautiful. Everybody's out because the weather is beautiful. We've had a shocking August in 2023, so these are some nice days we're getting for a change. Everyone's out, sitting outside, enjoying themselves. Let's have a look at the cakes.
Tomorrow.
gorgeous, isn't it, in here? Back to Sainsbury's. So here we are, full circle round. Nice little walk around Oswestry. You can spend a good few hours here. There's a lot of little roads to turn up and down. Lots of places to sit and eat, which look lovely. Yeah, and you can park in the Sainsbury's, which is just here. You get 3 hours free, but you do have to buy something in Sainsbury's and scan the receipt on the way out. So make sure you do this, because once we didn't forget, we just didn't scan. We got the ticket last time and it wouldn't scan coming through, so we had to go back in. So we thought we'd came in twice and we actually got a fine, which we did appeal, and it was okay in the end because we'd kept the receipt. But yeah, you can park here for 3 hours. So here's what I bought from the jam lady, the jam and cheese lady. This one is the good old favourite, the Wensleydale with the cranberries, which Flo seems to like the look of. And then this one is jalapeno with smoked, what was it? Smoked chilli, I think it was, something like that. And then the sweet chilli jam and the red currant and black currant jam. So yeah, 4 for £12. Lovely.